Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. There's something truly special about how plants can completely transform a space, right? They just breathe life into a room. Today, I want to share a simple routine that keeps my green friends, and honestly, my whole home, feeling vibrant and healthy. It's all about watering and cleaning. When I take the time to do this, it almost feels like the house itself can breathe a little easier. For watering, I always check the soil first. Just stick your finger about an inch deep. If it's dry, it's time for a drink. And don't forget to wipe down the leaves with a damp cloth every now and then. This helps them absorb more sunlight and look their glossy best. It's these small acts of care that make all the difference, helping both my plants and me to thrive. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more plant tips. See you next time.